Here we come to the elevators at Eagleson Hall at North Carolina Central University in Durham, North Carolina. These used to be Westinghouse, modernized with Otis. Oh wow, the shaft lights on for the other elevator. There, now I got it to focus. 9. This is a residential hall, just so you know. I don't usually film, but the door was somehow unlocked. Let's see if we can get the other elevator car. I don't know if it's working. This definitely used to be Westinghouse from the 1960s. Installed in 1968. Yeah, that's right. These are your fixtures. They're Otis Series 2 vandal resistant. Send this up. We'll get the other elevator car if it works. I think the shaft light is on. Oh. It's out of service. Oh, okay. Okay, I did not realize it was out of service. But anyways, man, I found a lot of good elevators on this campus. This campus, NCCU has a good amount of old vintage elevators. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.